Yeah, so we have some new trading program that you can join. Uh, this is kind of exclusive for those of you that are trading for yourself and those of you that are using automation. So the information is here. So you can have a specific account. You can have crude oil portfolio. You can have gold portfolio. We call it portfolio, but it actually means account. Then you can as well have the the regular forest. So those should hedge. It's our recommendation. It's not by force. We recommend that every trader trading with us should be able to hedge the account to avoid liquidation. So we are one of the best guys, or we have the best strategy that will allow you to hedge. So this information is here for you. You can be able to utilize them. Yeah. So you can be able to hedge your account while you are trading together with us. So we don't want any of you to lose capital, or rather we want you to make more money. So you can see what I'm sharing here. You see you can be able to have crude oil portfolio. So we'll be targeting this time around. This time around between 12% to 25% growth. Then our market focus will be on CFD and futures. Then we also uh, target about 15% to 25% to 12% monthly profit on gold. Then and we'll be hedging with 30 to 40% of our capital will be on hedging. This is what we'll be using. I will be hedging it on gold. Then you could use automated trading system, or you could use manual. I know that some of you may like manual. You may think that automation will not work for you, especially those of you that are unemployed, that are very much free. You could do manual trading. So what you're gonna do is, being in our community, you can be able to maximize these options where you can pick those analysis we make from, or we make, and the execute trade at the same time we execute the same trade. Then you can have the same number or the same measure of sources. Then you can also have those of you that doesn't have enough money. You could trade on forex. We call it Trinity portfolio. That's on forex, which is a little bit low risk, because you can start with maybe $300. You can start with forex. Sometimes you can even start forex with $50 and stuff like that. But you may not be able to hedge because of, the account is not really too much. I mean, the money in the account is not much. Then you can be able to have that as well and use our analysis. Then you can also run automation or manual trading. Then we also have the one we call then you have the standard one. You can have a minimum like $1,000 and be able to hedge. The platform we use these days allow you to hedge with gold, so that you could make profit on the both ways, whether the market is rising or the market is falling. Then you will not be able to lose your capital or liquidate your capital in trading. Then rather you can make profit on the both sides. So these are the potential opportunity that we have for you. Those of you that are joining us, I think you could see everything that we are sharing with you. Yeah. So this hour we connected for oil trading, crude oil trading. That's why we connected this hour. We could be able to see the information here on crude oil. Let me share it with you. It's from the forecast so far to the opportunities. So I will share for opportunities. You see what is available, what is obtainable. Yeah. So we are expecting oil report to come out at exact 4:30. We're expecting the report to come out at exact 4:30. At exact 4:30. That's when we're expecting the result to come out, at exact 4:30. And the EIA is already reporting, they're already giving us a mission of minus 1.4 million. But remember last night, our forecast, our weekly forecast, there's kind of a lot of speculation that the price of oil may remain low even till next year. And currently, if you check the price of oil as we speak now, the price is actually relatively low. The market is trading around $61 per barrel. That is where the market is trending now. It's trading around $61 per barrel as I speak. 61. If people want to join me, let me allow you in. It's trading around $61 per barrel. And one strategy we use in trading, one common strategy we use in trading is that we like to trade the market. So on CFD, you know that we can buy and sell. It means we have to buy at a low price, a higher price. So relatively, the price of oil is very much low. As we speak today, is very much low. I'm on weekly charts this week. It's been massively bearish. The market has dropped massively from around $60 back to 61.50. 50.50. This is on CFD. In this point, you have chances of. So if you're trading within this point, you have chances of making profit. Those that are selling, but buyers still have a lot of opportunities because of the low price. So the market is relatively low. Some analysts are expecting that Brent crude could get up to $58 per barrel, Brent crude. But however, uh, why they are reporting that is not for the good of the world economy or the oil economy. They are reporting that because of for the world to do something. That's why they are reporting that the market may get up to this amount, but you guys have to do something. You guys have to do something. So we were expecting it to surge back within this price to at least 68. Okay, let me get it on daily market, daily charts, so that you can be able to see much clear. So we're expecting it to surge at least 65, 500 pips up, $65 per barrel. So some of the analysis, so yesterday was also expecting that OPEC need to do something, probably to go back to production cut again, which is obviously going to happen. The chances that OPEC is going to have an agreement to cut production, and if they do that, the price of oil will go up because they want to encourage more demand. And the one thing about demand and supply is that when the price is very low, it can also trigger demand. It makes buyers to come and buy at a low price and make profit when the price is rising. So on a CFD where you can have low and high order, you can go short and long at the same time. So it's also opportunity for you to consider placing a buy. So what I'm trying to say that if oil price is very low, we should consider buying opportunities more than selling opportunity. When it's very high, we should consider more of selling opportunity than buying opportunity. So assuming if you surge from 61 to 55, that's about 500 pips. And if you're using $10 to trade, you'll be having about $5,000 profit. And if you're using $50 to trade, you'll be having about $50,000 profit. So it's very much common. Whether you trade on pro firm or you trade your own account, that is profit is profit. You're gonna make the same amount of profit as I speak to you. So that is what we did last night on a on a market outlook for the week. But this hour now, we also seen it at a low price. This day it was low. Monday it was low. Today is also very low. It's trading very much low. So guys, what do you think? Do you think that the market will gonna go up, or it is gonna break this particular support, which is around 59.67? Can you just talk to me? So what do you think? Do you think that the market is gonna go low?
I think the market will still go lower because even the Chinese government has reduced the demand for oil too.
Yeah, we did that last night too. Okay, it means that it possibly can
Yeah,
break 68, 67, 60,
yeah.
61.
Then WTI will still retest 57 of last week.
Okay. So for your information, those of you that are new, know oil is on contract. There's something here called rollover. You see rollover here. Let me show you. The broker just added it here. That's what's called rollover. So the rollover happened on 17th. That's when the contract will roll over. Although some of you may not care about it, but you still need to understand all these things, how it works. There's a rollover. So okay, you're expecting that the market will continuously coming down, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's come my own analysis, my own suggestion here. That in case you think the market will continuously coming down, please be using a closer stop loss like SL at this price. It could be hitting SL within this area while you are hitting the market. So it will really help you than when you are than when you think it will just gonna continuously going down why you don't have closer SL, because a lower price of any particular asset class give investors opportunity for investment. Let me put that clear. If the price is very low, investors have opportunity to make more investment, and if they do, it can also help them. It can make market be more volatile. So the lower price can go up at any time. I'm not disputing the fact that it's gonna continuously going down. That's what many analysts are expecting. But remember, they're also saying that for the world decision makers to do something, if there's anything that could push the market up, because some of them are making profit or make profit only when the price is rising. They don't make profit when the price is falling, unless a lot of them have diversified into CFD pattern of investment where they can go short or they can go long. Do you understand? So we have about eight
Yes, sir.
minutes. You have about 8 minutes to the hour. I don't know if any of you have a question. If you have a question, you can feel free to ask me the question, and we can be able to like interact before we hit the market. So, but the question has to be with this, and it shouldn't be off what we're discussing. The question has to be with the market structure. It shouldn't be off what we're discussing. So we have similar thing on gold. We all analyze gold at the same time. So gold, what we analyze on gold is still very active. We have not changed our model of investing on gold. We invest on gold on spot. We invest on gold on uh, on CFD for the purpose of this information. Those of you investing on gold, for those of you investing on gold, we have brought it to you where you can invest on gold spot at the same time with your CFD position, which is this company. We've been promoting them for a while now. So you can be able to invest on gold. Gold alone has done 52%, 58% this year. As I speak to you, only gold alone has done 52% this year. And it is a very good strategy that you can be able to rely on. You can be able to use it even if you don't trade, you just invest on gold futures where like deliverable gold, you should be able to make profit. Current price of gold now is 4,212. This is deliverable gold, which is traded on exchange. You can be able to trade, and at the same time, you could connect your account to hybrid or automation. You could make multiple executions. You could have the physical gold hedge. Then, of course, you can also the purpose of it is that it helps you to diversify the market structure. Then what you have to do is to choose your broker, any broker you would like to trade with. You can link up your account, you connect, then trade and start. I've already shared with you our trading model, the new model we are going to use to trade. We have already started. So all of you, you need to have account with the brokers we are using, or you do or yes, if you want to join our team, you need to have an account with the brokers we are using, so that we can be able to be on the same platform or on the same track with everyone. If we make analysis, we can execute it accordingly. So it's very, very, very much important if you want to scale with us. We can't just be running randomly with you if you are not really following up with us. So now that is that one on gold. So you can be able to trade on gold where you can hedge your account with gold. and at the same time it can also be able to trade on CFD. So the CFD is this one now we're talking about. This is the CFD on platform of gold. It's now 1,195. The one I shared with you, if I load the platform, it will also reflect the current price. And at the same time, CFD can give you spread. Spread may be different. Some the spread on CFD can be up to 50 to 60 pips on CFD. So, if you check the CFD platform, we analyzed by I think last night. We said that there's no chances that the market is gonna drop again because it's still maintaining a high degree of volume. So technically, the market must move towards this point, then continue to go up. So we recommend SL. We recommend SL around this price. There's a price here. There's a price here. Let me get the price. There was a price here. Let me get the price. The price was 4,021. Yeah, around here. SL. So because we like closer SL. Why? Because the prices of gold is already very high. So to avoid a potential sharp drop that will hit your that will impact more that will impact more on your capital. So it's better you put closer SL so that in case there's a potential sharp drop, it will cut at its minimum amount of loss or minimum percentage of loss. Do you understand? That is the reason why we gave this analysis on oil. In case if you trade on oil, since the oil price is also very low and it keep going down, so we'll be using closer SL for potential sharp price. If there's any sharp price, so it will not take up much losses from your account. It will cut at a little bit degree of loss. But potentially speaking, oil has capacity to rise more because it's already falling. Already the price is low already, obviously low. So people are expecting chances of the market going up. Now back, back to the inventory report is gonna come exactly by 3 minutes now. It's gonna come out exactly by 3 minutes now. Let's go back to where is it? Where is it? Where? Yeah, here. Yeah. I hope you can see the forest factory there. So the clock is already tweaking. I hope you can see it. So it's already tweaking. I hope you can see it, please.
Yes, sir, we can see, sir.
Yeah. So in the next 1 minute 38 seconds, it's gonna come out. If you click here, you take it to the latest release. It's also tweaking about 98 seconds. So we see. So let's say if the report is positive, like more supply, it must impact the market to drop further. But in case you are selling, just make sure that those instructions are followed properly. Don't use a very wide stop loss on a lower market. No matter what you're reading on the news, never you use it. Yeah. So we have less than 1 minute to go. Yeah, we have 27 minutes to go. About 8 minutes to go. Okay, this one load on error. Yeah, a lot on my internet is hanging. We have seen it.
Loaded.
I mean, even on your own laptop there.
Yeah, even on my own. Yeah.
I think it is delayed though.
Yeah, it's
I just got a notification now. It has been delayed.
oh
I
my
don't know what's
God.
wrong.
Why now? Why did they delay it? Why did they delay the inventory? Okay, let me check the EIA. Okay, it's out. I think it should be out on EIA. Although it's still blank. Yeah, it's out on EIA. It's not okay, 1.8. That means they almost like we are right on their speculation projection. They expected, oh, is that okay? 1.2, 1.8 came out. That means they are much better. Yeah, so 1.8 million barrel came out against 1.2 million barrel. I hope, can you see what I'm showing you? 1.8. So against 1.2. Okay, so what do we do with this information? So those of you that are learning with us, when information come out, it means there are a bit later supply compared to what happened last week. Last week was how much? 0.6 million supply, and we have about 1.8 minus decrease shortage. So which also technically is a sign of buy. If there are lesser supply, it could trigger buy. So and which is what majority of people are expecting in oil sector. They want a lesser supply. They want the oil production companies to ease supply or let there be more demand. Yeah, so 1.8 is a shortage of supply, which is good. So it can trigger the market to go up. So two factors you could consider now okay, three factors you could consider in trading oil on a buy. Three factors. One, support level. The market is at the support area. Well, here is support zone. So these are support areas. Yeah. So two factors, a lower price. The price is very low. Two factor. The price of oil is very low. Then the three factors is shortage of supply. We have minus 1.8 million supply compared to 0.6 million supply of last week. So if you go on this factor and place a buy on oil, I don't think you'll be wrong. Then you could put your SL around be below this price, maybe like usually recommend SL to be off the support zone. I recommend SL almost all the time to be off the support zone. It's very important. The market has even stretched so much. So the SL here, if you're talking about off support zone, it should be around 58. Yeah, 58. SL should be around 58. 58. That totally off the support zone. It should be 58. That's if people that are buying. But if you are selling, always make sure you also live within this area, because unless if this point is broken, if the market keep continuously coming out of 60 to 59, please prepare your exits. Don't be at the selling zone at a lower time all the time. Or if you do not prepare your exits, use closer stop loss at all time at this particular area. So for those people that are buying, if you are asking me how much are we expecting, let's say we hit a buy, we should expect from here, I'm expecting a surge to at least 300 pips or three, yeah. From this price to that is let's say 350 pips. Yeah, I'm expecting a surge to at least 350 pips. 350 pips here. Let's use this price 64.74 as a KD if you're expecting to that point. So 350 pips will give us how much in profit? It will give us because of the price is low, it's quite good increasing using a little bit of bigger volume to trade it. Let me use a volume that we can understand. Let's say $20 per movement. So we could say we could multiply $20. That's 350 here and 350 on Brent and 350 on WTI. So that's 700 pips. So 20 times 700. Who can give me the approximate, uh, the proper or approximate value of it? $20, which is two lot. Can someone help me, please? $20 times 700. $20 times 700.
That would be 14,000.
That for $14,000, right?
Yes, sir.
So we should be making $14,000 profit.
And
Mm.
anytime you say this $20, 22 lots, my own 20 lots, or I don't even know how you're calculating this thing, but I don't used to get when you say 2 lots. What are you trying to say, sir? Sorry.
These two lots here means $20 per movement. Are you watching my screen?
Yeah, but if I use 2 lots on my broker, that's very small.
Okay,
It's not.
that means your two lots. Your broker give you $2 on two lots. Mean that $1 give you one lot give you $1. But on a standard value, two lots here means $20. So what is gonna happen? You have to put 20 here on under these two lots.
Even with 20 lots safe, I don't used to get up to that.
No, you should. Oh, so ask your broker to send you their instrument specification, or if you go around their
This thing
website.
you're asking happened to me on my fundamental this thing.
Okay.
What I did is ask them because they charge per pip is $1. You understand? If you're using one lot size, per
Mhm.
pip is $1. Then if you're using two lot size, per pip is $2. Then now, mind you that if we are going to use 20 lot size, it depending on the capital you're managing too. Because 20 lot size now we now put in risk to your own capital. Because when it comes to their spread is more than the one that SAI is using. You know,
Okay.
SAI is using average trading and their own spread is quite different to all this MT5 spread.
Okay. Thank you.
So yeah, but other than the brokerage website, you could ask them my specification. Then you will see the value they give. Remember, I'm using oil, not forest. Forest can give you the same figure. Like if you put two lots, it give you $2. But oil and gold can give higher value on this their lot size. So if you're going on standard one, that would be 700 pips, and it will give me $14,000 profit on 350 pips each. Yeah. So on the stop loss side, let's say we hit 200, we target about 150. From here to that point is about 150. Hmm. No, it's still from here. Yeah, we should be targeting 150 or 200. Yeah, it's 200 maximum, which is 40. Yeah, yeah, about this price. Yeah, 200 pips is okay, or 250. But because of this market, it has chances of going up, down, or coming down. Stop loss will be. It doesn't make sense. Yeah, try hitting stop loss at a low level. You just put your stop loss away the market. To be honest, it doesn't make sense. You're trade hitting your stop loss out within the market value. So just keep your stop loss away from the market. It's better you wait for your time and make profit Then when the market kick you off and see go up, you know what I mean? Kick you out and later go up. For me, it doesn't make sense. Mm. And but let's even check the performances, whether performance is very much active. Yeah, the market is not reacting to it anyway. But let's see. So let me check if there's any breaking news. There's something. The same thing about this graph, the same price surge. Serious. Uh, I'm trying to uh, the market will just we just agree to back again. Just okay, let's you, you make you on a short thing. So there's no breaking news. The market is not really much. Yeah, there's no breaking news supporting the. Yeah, that is mm, the, the report, but technically any question or you are confused. So if it was more supply, would it have continuously selling? Be honest. Be honest. So if you had more supply, would have continuously selling.
I won't, or I'll just leave it.
Okay, that means you're looking for opportunity to buy more than opportunity to sell.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. We are looking for more opportunity to buy. To be honest, we don't follow the news all the time, especially when the price is very low. Why they are reporting on this is telling you the danger of the lower price. That's why if you check on it, warning about oversupply is killing them. Yeah. So, but you see, this area is good. So if you invest more, let's say you have $100,000, $4 million, and you invest strongly on this area, there are chances of making more profit in the future. Yeah, there are chances of making more profit in the future. So if you go on a long time, this can generate up to 50% return per annum. Yeah, those of you that are portfolio managers, it's the metrics of investing. You can use all these things to invest once in a while and generate the return for your investors and make your own profit. If you analyze this properly, there are chances of getting 50% return. Well, on a short or on a low or medium risk investment on oil and keep it on a long term, then which you make more money than what the investor will be getting from the bond market, mutual fund, and stuff like that. Because alternative investment is done to give them more return than traditional investment. Then it could be able to also hedge it alternatively in case of issues, and they also put SL so you have more edge to make more return and make more profit for your investors. So in the next 3 months to 6 months, it's possible that you could hit that target. Remember, it's very easy, so it's not too hard. We'll have similar thing on gold. The gold have been stable, but demand on gold is still very active. So maybe just looking for any reason to move up again. So in case you want to invest in gold, be positive about it. Keep holding your position, but put your SL as we said here concerning the SL around 4,021 point something. Yeah, around 4,000. Yeah, I think within this point that was yesterday. Within this month, so we put closer SL on gold all the time because the price is high. Closer SL, that was around here. Yeah, somewhere here. Always make sure you have closer SL on gold at all time, because any chances of dropping is a chances of force buy more. Yeah, and let me know if I have another question regarding to this. Our attendance today is very low, but fine. Some of you that are not set up account, make sure you set up account and able to maximize all these opportunities we are issuing at. Don't just be observing without you doing anything. So let me know if I have a question, so I will take the last question and we can leave now.
No, because are we trading NFP this month? It's like I've not seen NFP news.
They shifted it. They shifted it. NFP was shifted.
If I don't see the person, it will do for me if I reach me.
Okay.
Yeah, they shifted it. So be checking on Forex Factory. You will see when the next what do you call it? When the next one will come up. You know me, I don't trade Forex actively, so I don't follow Forex news. I'm doing proper investment now. That's like I'm diversifying into traditional investment and alternative investment. So and the Forex is not my front line, but I can also teach you Forex for you to understand Forex. I'm balancing the both now, investing on traditional investment and alternative investment. What we are studying, all these things we are studying is alternative investment.
Okay, sir.
But before we are following up to see when it's gonna work, but for now there's no date yet. Okay, there was a date. It was shifted.
There's date on the 16th. I just checked it now.
Okay, probably next week.
Yes, next week, Tuesday.
Okay, fine. So we'll see whether it's going to impact the market or whether investors will feel very much reluctant to trade it. So make sure you hedge with gold. Make sure your position is not too open. You know what I mean? Make sure it's not too open, like 100% open. If you have a good amount of money, hedge part of them on gold. Then put your SL on your derivative position, which is forex position. Then and the trade. So you be on the safer side, become a superior trader than the regular people that speculate. It's very important you do that. It's a very superior strategy that you need and you have access to it. So I'm going to let you guys go now. Those of you that are still new, you may be confused. That's why I don't have a question to answer. Make sure you report to us and ask questions, how to get started, how to verify your account, how to fund your account, and how to pick those trades, and how to place this trade we're talking about. Then we can help you to place them. We are trading the same thing we are telling you now. And the one thing about us is that we give you the reason why you should do it. So we are not like trying to speculate on you, or you don't do what you're doing what you don't understand. This will help you to be more realistic in what you're doing and be able to be profitable. So we have to let you guys go now and go back to work, do what you're doing. I'm currently at work, so I just have to take my personal time to give you this information. That's why I didn't on my video, because of if I wanted to be seeing the background of every other person here, which is not really according to our privacy policy. Yeah. Someone want to ask a question, please. All your question, make sure it's related to this because it's recorded.
Okay, my question although is not it's about the trading generally. The educational program that you have. So I have opened account and I apply for 1 month. Then I still have another account which I put this
did
thing.
you receive the fund?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have gotten the educational fund, like
Yes, sir.
the startup fund.
Yes, sir.
Oh, perfect. Okay. Okay, so go ahead with your question, please.
So I don't know what is the next step.
So the next step
Go
is
about it.
the next step is to continue to learn from us and trade together with us. So we'll give you some video you watch from the previous introductory classes. Then you'll be able to join the class. Like now you're on a live class with us. How to this is trading live analysis and trade. Assuming you have known how to place trade, you could be able to place trade on those accounts. You know what I mean? So we'll give you the video to watch for some other 45 minutes to 2 hours video. You watch them, each of them will do a review. Is to help you catch up with what you are doing now. That's fast way to catch up. Do you understand?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Because it's not like one man recorded video. It's like interactive video like this. You can even hear other people talking, so that you're able to like understand what they are. You know what I mean? It's very very interactive videos we recorded. So you watch it, then we'll do a review and bring you to this stage where you can be able to make a trade.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So it's on our YouTube because we can share it with you. Just chat us up. We can share the link with you directly so you can watch them.
Okay, sir.
Mm.
What about the other this thing that one lady asked you yesterday that you were saying there's a platform called MAM?
Okay, MAM is multi-account management platform. Is what we use in making multi-account executions. So the account will be connected to it. It's an automated trading platform designed for multi-executions. So those of you that are working class that don't have all the time to monitor the market, you can connect to our MAM. Then once you place a trade, it will reflect on your own account. It's like copy trade, or PAM, but MAM is a bit advanced because it's used for asset managers and hedge fund. It's not really common. So before you have a MAM, you need to have a license, or at least minimum requirement for you to get a license from MetaQuote. So yeah. So if you set it up, you could be able to join us. Then if you don't want to, if you don't want to do it manually, you connect your account to the MAM system, and you start making good of our analysis and replicating those things we are talking about into your own trade.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. I'm eager to end the meeting. I don't know why I'm so eager to end the meeting. Do you guys have another question to ask? Okay, maybe because I want to go and take coffee. That's why I didn't take coffee before I joined. Is there coffee that's in my head? Okay, so you guys are very quiet in today's thread, but there's nothing to worry about. So let's continue hoping on this. The buy may trigger anytime soon. It's possible that it will trigger. Just be on positive, very much possible. Or even on 4 hours chart, look at 4 hours. This buy may trigger at any time. It may trigger. So if you are buying, just know that you're in a good position. If you are selling, you're also in a good position, but make sure, seller, you have a tight stop loss. Make sure your stop loss is closer to, it's not too far, because this market can go up at any time. Just take note of that. So I wish you guys all the best. I see you making $14,000 profit this year. So if you have the capital, please don't just go on what we analyze that. We analyze standard value. We don't analyze with people trading with $1,000. It will not work. Or people trading with $200, it will not work. There's a value for those accounts. Lot size you can use for those accounts. Maybe you can gain maybe $14. You can gain maybe $140. You can gain maybe $1,400. No, you can get small value on it, but it's not that you use $1,000 to get $14,000 using that two lot size. It will be bigger for the account. Yeah. So you reduce it, but let's follow up and use the same thing we have analyzed to see if we're going to achieve that target or not. Yeah. So it's almost to an hour of your time because this meeting is almost technically designed to last within 45 minutes to 1 hour. So I wish you guys all the best as you go back to work. And we see you guys again on the Telegram group where we'll continue discussing about the impact of the inventory or whether analysis works or not. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So have a good day, all of you.
Yes, sir.